of these technologies do you see KSA being a leader in, or a potential leader, having a potential leadership in?
Well, thank you for being in. Thank you for hosting us. It's great to be here.
Thank you.
Actually, today, this morning, I think His Excellency really placed a pole in terms of moving forward towards AI with those big initiatives into it. Yeah. But going back to the other point that you highlighted in here is that I think all four areas of the research and development and innovation strategies as the national strategies in Saudi Arabia has really great potential to lead on, as those technologies are just kind of, let's say, setting up the waves for the next gen technologies and the future technologies moving forward as we move forward to it, right? And we think about AI, it's more like a platform technology that cuts across all different fronts, where basically it helps to develop new economies and set up a new, let's say, raising the bar for those technologies moving forward. So it can cut across around food technologies or agriculture or all different areas, especially where they intersect into different areas, like deploying AI into biosciences and bioengineering and agtech technologies and so on. There where it really propel the advancement of technologies, and also it gives some really competitive edge for the startups and the economies moving forward. And going to your point earlier on in terms of what are the trends and the things that are moving forward, the way we look at it is like in terms of deep tech, it's a lot more like science fiction, where sometimes the technologies arrives faster than what we think.
Exactly.
In other words, this morning the chairman of IBM as well was talking about quantum computing, and he was saying like a decade ago there was some people who were saying it's very difficult to get to 10 qubits or 20 qubits in terms of processing power in quantum computing, and today we're performing at 1,000 qubits. So we always like the technology arrives like faster than what we think. So it's great opportunity now that we create the future in terms of generating the new technologies. And today with Leap, I think we had like major news, major initiatives, and still some more is gonna come that's gonna really place Saudi on the global map, especially on AI, that cut across all strategic priorities of the national RDIs.